Punjabi, a language rich in history and cultural significance, is spoken by millions of people across the Indian subcontinent and around the world. This Indo-Aryan language, with its roots deeply embedded in the Punjab region, has evolved over centuries, giving rise to a fascinating array of dialects. Today, we will explore the diverse dialects of Punjabi, their unique characteristics, and the factors that have shaped their development. Punjabi is the official language of the Indian state of Punjab and is widely spoken in the Pakistani province of Punjab. It is also one of the most widely spoken languages in the United Kingdom, Canada, and other countries with significant Punjabi diaspora populations. The language's name itself comes from the Persian words Panj, meaning five, and Ab, meaning water, referring to the 5 rivers that flow through the historical Punjab region. Like many languages with a wide geographical spread, Punjabi has developed numerous dialects over time. These dialects reflect the rich tapestry of Punjabi culture, history, and geography. While there is no universally agreed upon classification of Punjabi dialects, linguists generally recognize several major dialect groups, each with its own distinct features. The major dialect groups of Punjabi include Majhi, Doabi, Malwai, Powadi, and Multani or Saraiki. Let's explore each of these in detail. Majhi, also known as Central Punjabi, is considered the standard dialect of Punjabi. It is spoken in the Majha region of Punjab, which includes the cities of Lahore, Amritsar, and Gujranwala. Majhi serves as the basis for written Punjabi in both India and Pakistan and is widely used in literature, media, and education. Its prominence is due in part to its historical importance, as it was spoken in the cultural and political centers of Punjab. Doabi, sometimes called Dona, is the dialect spoken in the Doaba region of Indian Punjab. This area lies between the Beas and Sutlej rivers, hence the name Doabi, which means land of 2 rivers. Major cities in this dialect region include Jalandhar, Hoshiarpur, and Kapurthala. Doabi is known for its distinct vocabulary and pronunciation, which sets it apart from other Punjabi dialects. Malwai is the dialect of the Malwa region in Indian Punjab. This dialect is spoken in a large area that includes cities like Ludhiana, Patiala, and Bathinda. Malwai is characterized by its unique intonation and vocabulary, which can sometimes be challenging for speakers of other Punjabi dialects to understand fully. Powadi, also spelled as Pwadi, is spoken in the southeastern part of Indian Punjab, in areas bordering the state of Haryana. This dialect shares some features with Haryanvi, the language spoken in Haryana, reflecting the geographical and cultural overlap between these regions. Powadi is known for its distinct accent and some unique grammatical constructions. Multani, also known as Saraiki, is spoken in the southern part of Pakistani Punjab and some adjoining areas of Indian Punjab. There is ongoing debate among linguists about whether Saraiki should be considered a dialect of Punjabi or a separate language. Regardless of its classification, Saraiki has significant differences from other Punjabi dialects in terms of vocabulary, pronunciation, and even some grammatical features. In addition to these major dialect groups, there are several minor Punjabi dialects, each with its own unique characteristics. These include Shahpuri, spoken in the Shahpur district of Pakistani Punjab, Dani, found in the Chakwal and Jhelum districts, and Hindko, spoken in parts of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province in Pakistan. While these dialects may have fewer speakers compared to the major groups, they contribute significantly to the linguistic diversity of the Punjabi language. Now, let's delve deeper into the characteristics of each major dialect, starting with Majhi. As the standard form of Punjabi, Majhi is characterized by its clear pronunciation and balanced tone. It has a rich vocabulary that forms the basis of literary Punjabi. Majhi uses all 10 vowel sounds found in Punjabi and has a consistent system of tone and stress. Its grammar is considered the most standard and is used as the basis for teaching Punjabi as a second language. Doabi, while closely related to Majhi, has some distinct features. It is known for its slightly faster pace of speech and some unique vocabulary items. Doabi speakers often use a rising intonation at the end of sentences, which is less common in other dialects. The dialect also has some phonological differences, such as the pronunciation of certain consonants. Malwai is notable for its sing-song intonation, which gives it a distinctive musical quality. It has a tendency to lengthen certain vowel sounds and has some vocabulary that is specific to the Malwa region. Malwai also has some grammatical peculiarities, such as the use of different pronouns in certain contexts compared to standard Punjabi. Powadi, being a transitional dialect between Punjabi and Haryanvi, shows influences from both languages. It has a somewhat flatter intonation compared to other Punjabi dialects and borrows some vocabulary from Haryanvi. Powadi also has some unique verb conjugations that differ from standard Punjabi. Multani or Saraiki is perhaps the most distinct among the major Punjabi dialects. It has a significantly different phonology, with some sounds that are not found in other Punjabi dialects. Saraiki has a large number of unique vocabulary items and even some grammatical structures that differ from standard Punjabi. For example, it uses different pronouns and has a more complex system of verbal aspect. The geographical distribution of these dialects largely corresponds to historical and administrative divisions within the Punjab region. Majhi is centered around the historical and cultural heart of Punjab, including Lahore and Amritsar. Doabi is found in the fertile region between the Bays and Sutlej rivers, while Malwai covers a large area in central Indian Punjab. Powadi is spoken in the southeastern fringes of Punjab, bordering Haryana, and Multani or Saraiki is predominantly found in southern Pakistani Punjab. The development of these dialects has been influenced by various historical factors. The partition of India in 1947 had a significant impact as it divided the Punjab region between India and Pakistan. This political division led to reduced contact between speakers on either side of the border, potentially accelerating dialect divergence. Additionally, the influence of different state languages, Hindi in India and Urdu in Pakistan, has affected the vocabulary and to some extent the grammar of Punjabi dialects in these countries. Migration patterns have also played a role in shaping Punjabi dialects. For instance, the significant Punjabi diaspora in countries like the United Kingdom, Canada, and the United States has led to the development of new dialect features in these communities, influenced by contact with English and other languages. Despite the differences between these dialects, there is generally a high degree of mutual intelligibility among Punjabi speakers. Speakers of Majhi, Doabi, and Malwai can usually understand each other with little difficulty. Powadi speakers may have some challenges understanding other dialects and vice versa due to its transitional nature. Multani or Saraiki presents the greatest challenge for mutual intelligibility, especially for speakers of more northern dialects. The existence of multiple dialects has posed challenges for the standardization of Punjabi. In India, efforts have been made to standardize Punjabi based on the Majhi dialect, particularly for use in education and media. In Pakistan, while Majhi is also influential, there has been less formal standardization, and different dialects are more freely used in various contexts. These standardization efforts have sometimes led to tensions, particularly regarding the status of Saraiki. Some Saraiki speakers advocate for its recognition as a separate language, while others view it as a dialect of Punjabi. This debate has both linguistic and political dimensions, reflecting the complex relationship between language, identity, and culture in the region. The diversity of Punjabi dialects has had a significant impact on Punjabi literature and culture. Many Punjabi writers have used their native dialects in their works, enriching the literary landscape with diverse linguistic expressions. For example, the famous Punjabi poet Shiv Kumar Batalvi often wrote in his native Majhi dialect, while other writers have incorporated elements of Malwe or Doabi into their works. In music, different dialects have influenced the development of various folk music traditions. The famous Punjabi folk song genre of Bhangra, for instance, often incorporates elements of different dialects, reflecting its roots in the rural Punjab region. Looking to the future, the dialects of Punjabi face both challenges and opportunities in the modern world. Urbanization and increased mobility have led to greater mixing of dialects, potentially reducing some of the more distinct features of individual dialects. The influence of Hindi, Urdu, and English on Punjabi, particularly in urban areas, is also affecting the language's dialectal landscape. However, there is also a growing awareness of the importance of preserving linguistic diversity. Many Punjabi speakers and cultural organizations are working to document and preserve different dialects, recognizing them as an integral part of Punjab's cultural heritage. Technology is playing a role in both challenging and preserving Punjabi dialects. While social media and digital communication may contribute to dialect leveling, they also provide platforms for speakers of different dialects to share their linguistic varieties with a wider audience. There are now apps and online resources dedicated to teaching and preserving various Punjabi dialects. In conclusion, the dialects of Punjabi represent a rich tapestry of linguistic diversity, reflecting the complex history and cultural geography of the Punjab region. From the standard Majhi to the distinct Saraiki, each dialect contributes to the vibrant mosaic of the Punjabi language. As Punjabi continues to evolve in the 21st century, its dialects remain a testament to the language's adaptability and enduring cultural significance. Understanding and appreciating this dialectal diversity is key to fully grasping the depth and breadth of Punjabi language and culture.